Morning, ladies and gents, or good afternoon, good evening. Oops, dropped my phone. That's not a good start. This is just plastic. That is plastic. Oh, that is nothing. Oh, hope everyone's doing all right tonight. Just charging my other light, so I'll have that shortly. Doesn't look like anything under there. One box, I guess I could move it, huh? Maybe. Nah. Bunch of nails. I don't want to grab nails. Alright. I guess I'll see you at the next one. Welcome back, welcome back. This will be, this is actually one of my honey holes, but last week this trash was overflowing, so it looks like they got a new bin. So I'm hoping there's actually anything in there. Turn the camera on, hoping you guys are good luck. So let's see if there's anything in there. Oh, there's a little something. Is it metal? No, there's no good, man. No. And there was a lot last time, and I didn't get any. I didn't come out here because it was too cold. Yeah, there's nothing in here. That's too bad. One box on the other side. I can see if there's anything in there. But yeah, a lot of times nope, there's nothing there. A lot of times there's nothing there. So now, this week, I gotta keep an eye on this dumpster. Alright, I guess there's nothing here. Welcome back, guys. Appreciate it. I just wanted to take a second and say, tonight sucked at scrapping. Just when you get comfortable finding all kinds of good stuff and some honey holes and this and that and some construction dumpsters that are kind of put out. Like, I took like the last week off of hitting dumpsters, like these construction ones in front of me. I'm hoping this one has something. But, like, tonight sucked. Like, 4 of them that I usually hit, the whole dumpsters are gone. Absolutely gone. My honey hole is empty. It's like, sometimes you don't find stuff. But you just gotta keep grinding. And I just wanted to rant a little bit, because, you know, that's how we do it. But all I can say is just keep going, keep looking, and let's go see what's in here. Yeah, it's just kind of a tough night. Anyways, let me check out the weather. You guys see it? Balmy or warm, 28 degrees in March. Pretty sick. But yeah, I've been driving around and it's like, man, Saturday night, half the companies are still open. I like to scrap at night. I don't know when you guys go scrapping, but anyway, let's go see what's in here real quick. See if I can not get run off in this busy complex of senior citizen action and grocery action and whatever else. But yeah, it's just been a crappy night, so the night will probably stay crappy. And this is all garbage. So that's nice. Piece of metal buried that I'm not gonna be able to get. But like every single garbage I hit, it's just freaking empty. And this is all garbage, so once again, nothing. Whew. Snow and more snow. So we're actually supposed to warm up a little bit coming up. Let's see. Like today's only 28, but it's actually gonna hit 50 in Minnesota. I think Wednesday. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna try to hit up a couple more spots, see what's going on. I appreciate you listening to me ramble and strike out in another dumpster. See you on the next one. Already ready. So if you watch my last, I think it was my last one, I hit up this I think they do like sinks and water softeners or something, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's a repair place or not, but I haven't checked this one, but I'm hoping there's something in here. But I had a really good score in here last time, so let's I don't know, let's see what I don't know, let's hope something's in here. Not looking so great. Why do people put these TV boxes in there? That's weird. It's not a TV place. I think people illegally dump in this place. I hate that, man. Don't illegally dump. Yeah, it's kind of the same crap, so. Well, actually, last time was really good. I won't say the same crap. Last time was pretty good. Bunch of copper and stuff. But yeah, there's nothing else in here right now. Alright, a couple more spots, we'll see what's going on.